Welcome back. Moving on to this week's weather. We have two games that we posted earlier this week for caution. They are the Packers Giants and for the 49ers Ravens. And like we were saying, the 49ers have some experience. So I'll let you guys get into it. I'll stop talking and I'll turn my notifications off because that was annoying.
Yeah, like Colin said, the two games that we're concerned about here, Packers at Giants and then the 49ers at the Ravens. So this is going to be another East Coast event similar to what we experienced last week. And this is at game time. And Mike, what I'm going to ask you to do is just rewind this a little bit earlier, a couple time frames earlier. And you can't really see it on this screen, but this storm originated over the southwest U.S., traveled over the Rockies. And typically what happens is when you have systems or what we call a trough move over the Rockies, you have what's called lee-side cyclogenesis. And this is a poster child event for that, that helped develop and deepen this storm. Now that storm kind of remains stationary over the Midwest, but there's secondary development over the East. And that's what's going to be impacting our games for Sunday. So if you go to 18Z on Sunday, Mike, you can see maybe circle to the New York game over the Meadowlands there, and then also our Baltimore game against the 49ers. So those are the two games that we're going to be concerned with moving forward. We expect relatively high rainfall rates for these and potential winds. So there is a chance that we even maybe upgrade these approaching Sunday to possibly extremes.
Yeah, I just want to comment on the New York Giants game. The rain rates are predicted to intensify as the game goes on, whereas in the Ravens game, it looks like the rain it'll be raining pretty heavy early on in the game and then potentially start to wind down at the end of the game. So for me, if we were going to categorize these storms from most impactful to second most impactful, I'm targeting that New York Giants game as potentially the most impacted from this event here.
Yeah, I would completely agree. And if there's also a couple other games, you have Washington at Carolina and Cleveland at Pittsburgh that you may have a quarter or so, maybe the first quarter that may be impacted by some rain, maybe some wind, but we're not expecting that to have a significant enough impact to put out a caution at this time.
Great.